Good morning, all of you. Yes, today I'm going to plant the flowers. Do you know how to plant a flower, everybody? Yes, at the first time I mix soils with fertilizers and I put the soil in the pot and then I'm going to remove the flower. Do you know how to plant a flower, everybody? Because the flower make us feel good. This one, and this one. Maybe I took it. Yes. Okay. After that, we dig flower from the land. We remove it in the pots. We put it slowly. Do you like flower, everybody? Yes. Flowers make you live away from stressing. Remember, alligators, when we just remove the flowers, we should put under the shade. We do not put under the suns. It is dangerous for the flowers. And the last step, you put the watering slowly. Yes, it is the best choice for flower stands. Yes, and a light. Yes, thank you for watching my video, everybody. Thank you so much. And thank for all of you that support my video and subscribe my channels. It is the best way for me that I try to make a video for all of you. Thank you. Bye.